Hi everyone, my name is Costa and today I'm gonna try a new plugin that I found in Framer that it's called Photopea, which is basically the same as Photoshop. So I will press Ctrl key on my keyboard, click on the plugin Photopea. So that is actually a website that exists on the web and it's an alternative for Photoshop. I never tried it myself because I use Photoshop daily, so I don't have to use this tool, but yeah, it looks, in terms of UI, it doesn't look that good, but neither does Photoshop actually, so I would say they are very similar in this case. I see that they also have this option to, I don't know, to upload Figma files. That is very interesting because you can do this in Photoshop. So yeah, let's create a new project and I will keep this size and click on create. All right, now it looks so much similar to Photoshop. So yeah, let's maybe add some text and say Framer. Now I don't know exactly what are the shortcuts, so I'm gonna click on this transform controls to be able to make this bigger. All right, looks good. Now let's try to add some images. I see that they have some image icon right here, so I guess it is something like pixels or Unsplash integrated inside this app. So I will look up for mountains. All right, let's select this one right here and insert it inside. Now I will move this below the text. Okay, and let's make it bigger. And let's make it even bigger and move it down like this. So now let's zoom in a bit. And I will try to mask this mountain actually. So let me hide the text first. Press Ctrl P, let's hope it works. Yeah, it works. Select the pen tool. And now let's do a quick masking like this. So that is very cool, by the way. I can't believe that you can do this inside Framer. Now I'm not sure that there is actually an use case for this kind of tool because basically you have to export, I think, this image on your desktop. So why would you use actually this app inside Framer and not on the web? All right, so I'm done with selecting this mountain. Now let's close the selection. Press Ctrl Enter, let's hope it works. Yes, it does, to create a selection. And now I will click on this mask icon. So let's put a text behind this mountain. Make it bigger. So let's select another color. Maybe this blue. And I will select the brush tool. If I press B on my keyboard, it works. Oh, look, even the shortcuts work inside Photopea, which is crazy. All right, it's the same way like I do it in Photoshop. Now you can also increase the size of the brush right here. So I will increase it even more. And the hardness, let's reduce it to 0. And see if it works. It doesn't because we need to create a new empty layer. And now, okay, I need to select another color. I see that the white color was selected. So, okay, so now it works good. Let's select a different color. Make the brush bigger. Yeah, there is some problem sometimes with the shortcuts, but in general looks pretty well, I will say. And if you don't have Photoshop, you can definitely use this app. So let's change the color to white. And now, unfortunately, you cannot export this directly into Framer. From what I see, you can only do it by exporting it as a PNG or maybe WebP, but on your PC and not inside Framer. So let's do it. Export it, save, close the plugin. And now let's drag this inside Framer. So Yeah, guys, I really like the plugin. However, I don't think there is a real use case for it inside Framer. Because let's say you have a smaller screen. In my case, I have a 27-inch screen, so there is enough place for me to use this plugin. But if you have a smaller screen, like a 14-inch MacBook, for example, you won't be able to see whatever you are creating inside this plugin. So, but yeah, it's nice to, give it a try. So I suggest you to do that and let me know in the comments below what you think about. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. See you next time.